So, just got the new muffler installed. I think it looks great on there. Stainless steel, blued. It took a little bit of working out, a little bit of welding, but I got it to where it'll slip on and off down here. Had to weld a little connecting pipe to the mid pipe right there, but I got it so it slips on under there, wrapped up so it doesn't look like crap. But it's definitely smaller, lighter, so that's always nice. A couple pounds weight savings. I don't know that I was expecting it to be as loud as it is. That thing is just a big bore straight through, and I think it sounds good. Maybe a little bit too loud. Might try to find something, some decibel killer to put in there. Maybe. I just took it for a quick test spin. I think it sounds good, but it definitely changed the whole sound of the bike. Very deep and throaty. Sounds like a big bore bike, or bigger bore anyways. Definitely does not sound like what it is. Haven't had a chance to see if it actually did any kind of performance increase. See the pants, it's kind of hard to tell, just a little swap like that, but there was a big old restriction right where the muffler, the stock muffler went on, so I cut that off, and now it's full 1 3/4 all the way up, and then it, boom, 2 inches. I think it's great. Now, if I wanted to, I could swap this muffler out and use any 2-inch slip-on at this point. So, value added. That's always good. Anyways, next part of this vid, probably for you guys a few seconds, I don't know. I'll take it for a spin, let y'all hear what it sounds like now. Anyways, talk to y'all later. Here's gonna be the little start up real quick. Do a little run after that. Oh, where'd I put my key? It's in my pocket. Of course it is. How many miles I got on this thing anyways? It says 482. That's a little high. I think GPS so far, I haven't logged every trip I've taken, but something like 400, something like that. So anyways, do a startup on it. It's a little cold right now, so it's idle and low. Anyways, so that's it, just sitting still. Barely any revs. It is so much louder. Not sure I was expecting it to be that much louder, but it is, and yeah. Like I said, maybe put a decibel killer in it somehow. Try to cut that down a little bit. It's going to add a little back pressure. Probably not a bad thing. We'll see. But let me ride around like this for a little bit, and see what happens.